Alright, so we're back with another update. Today we are working on my exhaust gaskets. I got these, Forrest got these for me from Subaru. These are the up pipe ones on the headers. So we got to take the headers off. So it's that one right there. And I got to take this heat shield off in order to get to the bolts that hold the headers onto the engine. So yeah, should be fun. Alright, so we got these things off. They're a huge pain in the ass because they're super rusted. You see, we kind of had to rip this one off because it's just junk. So now, with those out of the way, we can get to the header bolts. Right there and there. I gotta take those off. There should be just 14s. I'm gonna work on that. Let's see. Alright, so we got the headers off. They're just caked with old grease. So I'm just going to clean them up. So we got new gaskets for all these. This is the one that was leaking the worst. So we got a new gasket for that and new header gaskets. Alright, so we got it cleaned up and ready to go back on. So now I'm going to grab my brand new gaskets from Subaru. Put these on first, and then slide the headers up on there, and then once the headers are already bolted on, I'll put this one in because there's enough space in between the up pipe and that flange to actually get the gasket in there.
I think the gasket came off on this side. It's not lined up. It's coming back off.
Thing, go on. God damn it.
That one's on.
God damn it. So it's definitely a two-person job. It took both of us to lift it up and kind of stretch it to get it to fit. Alright, so we got those bolted on. Just kind of put them on in a star pattern. So now we can slip our new gasket up the up pipe in that little crack and put the bolts in. Alright, so we got these tight, header bolts are tight, got this little support bracket tight, so that should be it. Alright, well, it sounds really good. I don't hear any exhaust leaks anymore. Alright, so we found another problem. It looks like my up pipe is actually like split, because it's not really supposed to move. I thought there was a flex joint underneath the heat shield, but there's not. So Forrest is going to start it up, and you can see there's still smoke coming out of the up pipe, but it's just coming out of a different spot now. Yeah, it's just coming out right underneath it. But it's running a lot better with those done, at least. And we also left the blow-off valve bolts loose, so that was a boost leak right away. But yeah, we have an extra up pipe in the garage, so we're probably just have to take the turbo off and take all that off again and swap it out with one. The one we have in the garage just has a broken off stud, so I'm gonna have to figure something out to fix that. You want to go turn it off? But that'll do it for today. We gotta go get some more parts and stuff to fix that up pipe. So thanks for watching. See you next time.